purpose of the data analytic cycles. A very good morning I wish to Dr. Nicholas. My name is Najiy bin Omar, and I will present about our project description for our group project. I will start with the background of the study. Data analytics occurs generally for all processes and resources required for the collection and analysis of the critical data. Methods of analysis that may be used to qualitative and objective, such as statistical instruments or applications in live direct demand in any collection of the data. It is also collects and transfers the data to predict the consumer trends and improve the actions to make evidence-based on decisions. The importance of the data analytic cycles is provide a method for organizing and transforming data into information that can be used to meet the project objectives. First of all, we have product development, which the data analysis help the companies to comprehend the current business analysis to the situation and change the processor cause the need for a new product creation that meets the market requirements. Next, for the target contents, it encourages advertisers to advertising a subset of the entire consumer base. It is also save money to convince a buyer to buy and increase the overall performance of the marketing activities. And last but not least, for the efficiency in operation, the importance of the data analytics in marketing finds more ways to streamline operation or increase the benefits of the levels. It also helps to recognize possible issues and avoid the waiting period and take action on them.
Hi, my name is Nurshuhada binti Bahri. I will present about the phase 2, which is data preparation and exploration. For this phase, the Jupyter notebook was used as pre-processing step for dataset before proceed for model development and future analyzing. This phase including cleaning data, normalizing data, and performing transformation. The dataset for this project was imported from the traffic.csv file. There are several steps that use on this page. This is the result of the data preparation, and first step is import packages and data. This is the output. Then data exploration to describe summary of statistics of the data. Then checking missing value. Then treat the missing value using imputer method, which is using tree, median, mean, and mode. Then recheck the missing value to confirm it. The fourth step is check duplicated values. There is no duplicated values. Then univariate analysis. Next step is measure of central tendency. We can check the mean, the median, the minimum value, max value, the mode, and the value count for each variable. Then measure of distribution to calculate the variance and the standard deviation. Then we use visual analytics to check the distribution of traffic volume. The output is in histogram graph. Then we check the outliers using box plot. Then multivariate analysis, check for correlation coefficient. Then we create heat map correlation. This is the output. And then lastly we plot scatter graph, and this is the result.
Hi, my name is Afeera. I will talk about the phase 3, which is model planning. Firstly, checking the missing value. As we can see from the slide, The variable have missing value, which are air pollution index, temperature, weather type, and weather description. All of them have one missing value except for air pollution index. Missing value were replaced by suitable input to avoid future problem. Air pollution index and visibility were replaced by a median. Weather type and weather description were replaced with mode, while temperature were replaced by mean. Next is measure of central tendency. Checking that was done for the traffic volume are mean, median, mean, max, mode, and mode for the weather description. For the model selection, the model was selected to use linear regression. This project analyzes of relationship between two and more variables. Multiple linear regression able to provide a good model and address the problems in a greater level of complexity. The OLS for linear regression was used to train the algorithm. As we can see from this slide, it is the flow of the machine learning. For the two selections, the study used Jupyter Notebook for the model building. Jupyter Notebooks provide an interactive computational environment for developing data science applications. We also use Microsoft Power BI for descriptive findings in the analysis. Microsoft Power BI is to connect and visualize any data.
Hello, so my name is Elana. I'll be presenting about phase 4, which is the continuation from phase 2, which is the model building. So after we get the result from phase 2, we will be transforming the data from categorical to numerical. This is the process of changing the format, structure, and values of the data. It is a very crucial step in this project, as it helps the data to be more organized, making it easier for both human and computer to use. Next is the data partitioning, which involves the trend test split. Trend test splits procedure is used to estimate the performance of machine learning algorithms when they are used to make prediction on data that are not used to train the model. Selecting a proper model allows to generate accurate results when making a prediction. To do that, we have to train the models by using a specific dataset. Then we can test the model against each dataset. To train the algorithm, we use that state model packages that were imported from the API module and renamed as stats model. And the SM is the extension of the packages. OLS for linear regression was used to train the algorithm. For data, Y trained as the response variable, whereas X is the train input. To execute the process, fit bracket was used. For the model performance evaluation from the figure beside, we can conclude that the constant value for the data set is 0.00.98. Values for humidity 1.059 multiplied by 10 power of negative 5, wind speed negative 0.0001, wind direction 3.649 multiplied by 10 power of negative 6, temperature 3.882 multiplied by 10 power of negative 5, clouds all 4.589 multiplied by 10 power of negative 7, traffic volumes negative 5.486 multiplied by 10 power of negative 8. The values were used to satisfy the equation of y equals to b naught plus with b1 multiplied with x1 plus b2 multiplied with x2 and so on, which is known as the multiple linear regression model.
Hi, my name is Afeera Roslan. I will present about the phase 5, which is data communication. Interactive visualization emphasizes on replacing the graphic of data that improve the way of communication to get the better understanding. These visualizations are most commonly employed in the form of interactive visualization, which provide a simple way to interpret insight based on fast-changing data. In this project, the finding of the analysis is described by using Microsoft Power BI to present the interactive visualization, which is the traffic volume dashboard. The dashboard is presenting the traffic volume with the total value of 109 million, and the value of air pollution index API is 5 million from 2012 to 2017. From the dashboard, it shows the highest traffic volume by year is 2016, and the lowest traffic value occurred in 2012. The dashboard shows the highest traffic volume occur when there is no holiday. Weather type also influence the traffic volume. The highest traffic volume is on the cloudy day, followed by clear day in the second top ranking. From the dashboard, the highest traffic volume is in the referring to the objective in this project, it can be concluded this analysis successfully achieved its aims. This project helps to generate large amount of data set in Jupyter Notebook in a short time. Besides that, an interactive visualization using Microsoft Power BI for descriptive findings were prepared for the analysis, and this visualization gives a better understanding to analyze the data.